Hey guys, so we got an interesting one today. I have this old York unit, and what we have going on is when this unit receives a call to cool from the energy management company's communication board, it trips our resettable fuse, the little 3.2 amp popper that's in line with this transformer. Now right now I just have the energy management communication board bypassed. I'm just jumpering out, putting a signal right from red to Y1, and I just wanted to do a quick amp draw just to make sure none of my contactors, none of my relays were pulling excessive amounts of amps, causing that little resettable popper to pop. So it appears that whatever is our issue most likely is between our communication board and this unit's main control board. So because right now I'm running in cool mode, let's check our supply temp real quick. Yeah, we got a supply temp of 53.9 right now. Our condenser looks nice and clean, but you know, there's only one way to tell. Let's get our airflow device on there. Decent airflow, not too terrible. Now we did clean this condensing coil. That's why it is so clean. I know it's clean because we cleaned it. See, there's a little bit of a repair done there. Looks like a little pinhole leak was fixed at one point in time. But mechanical cooling doesn't seem to be our issue. We have a low voltage short somewhere. So let me turn the camera off, guys. I'm gonna pull some panels apart and then call our energy management company, have them initiate a call for cool, or maybe I can just bypass right from their board and initiate a call for cool myself. So when I get everything set up, I'll bring you guys back, all right? I have verified a call for cooling from my energy management communication panel. I'm about to power this thing on and see if this little fuse will pop on us now, because everything else in the machine seems to function fine when I bypass the communication board. So I believe we have a problem with our communication board, but let's power it on, see if this pops, and we'll go from there. Oh, look at that. As you can tell, we just about immediately popped as soon as we got that call for cool from the communication panel. So we're gonna have to investigate that panel and the wiring going from that panel into our unit here, because that seems to be our issue. All right, let me start pulling some panels off and I'll bring you along as soon as I can. Now, over the years, I've had a lot of low voltage short problems, and they're usually really hard to find. Most of them are anyway, only because the wires are so tiny and all it takes is just a little bit of a rub out to create that short to ground. But here is what I found. If we look over here on our energy management board, you'll see this blue wire. I don't know if you can see that, but that blue wire is connected to common on this energy management board, and our Y1, which is disconnected because our fuse was popping, of course, normally goes to Y1. All right, now remember that. And I did inspect this wiring, the bundle, all this wiring going through the chassis. There's nothing rubbing through. That's perfectly fine. But if you come over here to our control board, you'll notice our yellow wire comes down here, goes right into our common for some reason, and our blue wire, which again is wired into common over on our energy management board, goes to Y1 over here. So it's a real simple fix. We just need to switch our blue and our yellow over here on the energy management board, because right now whenever we get a call for cool, it's sending it straight to common through this yellow wire. So pretty simple fix, guys. I'm going to swap those wires around, double check my voltages, amp draws, supply temps, and then we're going to get out of here. All right, just a quick little one for today, guys. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.